The annual convocation of the National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur will take place tomorrow at the City Convention Center, Imphal. Director Professor Dr. DVLN Somayajulu announced the details today during a press conference at the Institute's Alangol campus. He stated that Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan will attend the event as the chief guest, while Chairperson of the Board of Governors of NIT Manipur, Brajaranglal Bagra, will preside over the ceremony. He added that a total of 299 students will receive their degrees during the convocation, which includes 206 B.Tech, 38 M.Tech, 24 MSc, and 31 PhD graduates. The Institute will also award the Institute Gold Medal to 6 outstanding students, while 1 student will receive the prestigious Chairman Gold Medal. Moreover, Professor Somayajulu announced academic partnerships signed yesterday between NIT Manipur and IIT Jodhpur. He emphasized that under this Memorandum of Understanding MOU, B.Tech and M.Tech students from NIT Manipur can study at IIT Jodhpur for up to 3 years, covering up to 7 semesters.
We'll get an opportunity to participate in the placement activity at IIT Jodhpur. Along with the placement activity at NIT Manipur, for their B.Tech, they also get opportunity to participate in the placement process at IIT Jodhpur. So, I'm sure this is a wonderful opportunity as part of National Education Policy 2020, which is a real implementation. 2 institutes are coming together to have a joint dual M.Tech degree program for the benefit of the students who are admitted through JOSA at NIT Manipur.